Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how to make this, but more importantly, I'm going to show you how to duplicate it easier, and I'm going to show you how to change the color on the color eyedropper quicker with Shift L. So we're going to take a rectangle or a box, square, make it 12 inches, doesn't really matter. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now, if you do this in this kind of order, Control D and make a duplicate, while holding down the Shift key, bring it in, and then angle it 22.5 degrees. And then move it, nudge it over. And then Control D, and what it's doing, it is actually making it smaller and rotating it at the same time. And you could just keep going. I don't think it changed that. I'd have to redo it. So we have, I'm just trying to separate them. We have 10 objects. So we need 10 colors. And we're going to blend them. So I'm going to make a rectangle. I'm going to go with green on the dart, take away the outline. And I'm going to go with yellow on the other side. You have to kind of do the light on the left because it's going to be on top. And because we're going to create them in this order, this will work. You have to go left to right. Color eyedropper tool. No, you know what? I didn't blend them. Grab these two, go to effects, and blend. I'm going to say just 8 times. Okay? That'll give us the 10 because we already had 2. Go to object, break the blend apart. There's still a group, but you really don't have to ungroup because we're just going to use the color. Now, remember left to right, color eyedropper tool. Now, normally, if you let me do that because I got the edge, it's so small. You need to get through that solid. Normally, you'd have to go up there and get a new color eyedropper. But what you can do is hold down the Shift L. Well, I don't know how that did that. Oh. Okay. Shift L. Well, you got to get the color eyedropper. Shift L will give you a new dropper. Shift L will give you the new color. Shift L, and then I'm getting up here and I'm letting go. Shift L, Shift L, Shift L, whoop, Shift L. I'm really not exactly excited about the last couple of colors, but I'm going to grab them all. I'm going to take away the outline. And because we made them left to right, we can hit P and put them in the center of the page. Now, it came out quite a bit different than my first one. I think I rotated it less or I had more of them. But because we made it left to right, this one's on top. If we would have put them together the other way, all you would see would be this. And you don't want that. So you need to create them left to right for that one to be on top. I still like my purple one better, but just play around with that. The main reason for the video was the Shift L, saving you so much time of having to go get a new dropper. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.